as an e-learning developer, I've really basically stopped using Adobe Creative Cloud for all of my work. I found that PowerPoint really suffices in almost all of the cases. The one exception is when I'll use Illustrator to open a vector file that I've downloaded online, and I'll copy and paste the vectors from Illustrator into PowerPoint. I'm able to convert those vectors into shapes and edit them in PowerPoint so I can actually change those colors. However, that does require me to still open Illustrator. So there's a better way and an easier way that you can actually download vector images and import them directly into PowerPoint without ever needing to open Illustrator or Inkscape or something similar. It's a game changer because honestly, Creative Cloud can be prohibitively expensive, especially for those instructional designers just starting out. So it turns out a regular old copy of PowerPoint works just fine. So I'm going to walk you through how to do that today. So as you can see, I'm over here on Freepik, and I found this file that I'd like to download. It's an EPS format. All of these shapes are awesome, and I actually want to use this color palette that I found over here on this website to edit them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to download this vector file. Great, so you can see here I have a JPEG and then an EPS file here. So I'm going to come over here to CloudConvert, and I'm going to select my file. So I'll pick the one that I just downloaded, which is this right here. It's going to ask me what I'd like to convert it to, and I'm going to come over here to Vector and then EMF, and I'll click Convert. It'll take just a second for it to upload, and then I can download my file. So I'm going to open up my PowerPoint file over here, and again, this is the palette I'm working with. So what I want to do is I want to insert what I just downloaded, so I'll come to Pictures, this device, and I know that this is my EMF file. There it is. So far, so good. Now what I'll need to do is I'll right-click, come over here to Edit Picture, and it's asking if I'd like to convert it to a Microsoft Office drawing object, to which I want to say yes. Now I'll right-click again, click Group, and Ungroup. There are a few different groupings, but as I right-click, you can see things start to become even further ungrouped. Then I'll zoom in, I'll grab the entire grouping that I'd like to move. It's this entire eye, copy it, paste it over here. I'm going to regroup it just to make it bigger so I can see. And now I will once again ungroup it. So what I'd like to change is this eye color to be one of these colors that I've already chosen. So now, because these are individual shapes, I can actually edit them. So all of a sudden, there is my green eye. Perfect. So again, you can do that with multiple objects. If I wanted, say, this hat, I could make sure I have all elements of the hat. Come over here, paste it in. So whenever you're rescaling, it's better to group. And then you can ungroup to, again, move them individually. If I wanted to pick a different color, that's how I could do that. So again, it's really easy to import these vectors in, but the one step you'll have to take is coming over here to CloudConvert to actually convert your EPS file to EMF. That's how you'll actually have to import the image into PowerPoint. This totally removes the need to open up an Illustrator file at all. So I hope you have fun.